Hey guys, this is J6.5 and I've got to play a little catch up with you guys. As you well know, we were testing a robot with real money, a day trading robot, PS Opkee Bot, day trading bot, and we put $500 into account, real money, for us to track and for us to share the information every day with you guys. And you can see where we are now. So that's after almost a couple of weeks, so that's not bad at all. But before I get into this video, we're going to talk about what our biggest drawdown was this week, and also what are the daily results, since this is day trading day 8. 8 trading days so far with this. But before we get into that, I want to go over this disclaimer again. Google or YouTube has been giving me a hard time, saying that they won't promote my videos because of claims made. Guys, if you have seen any of the other videos, the only thing that we're doing is back testing some of these robots to see if they work with real money in real time, and we're reporting back the hypothetical results to you. That's it. There are no claims with hypothetical results. This happens to be a real account because it passed the hypothetical back test, so we wanted to test it, good, bad, or ugly, how would it act in the real marketplace, and you can only do that with real money. We put real money into an account and we say, okay guys, on a daily or weekly basis, hey, you just made a trade, a daily or weekly basis, we're going to share the results with you, good, bad, or ugly. Now, there's no claims with showing you what's happening in a real account, so I don't get it. So they keep suppressing my content as far as this goes. So maybe this will help out to just say, again, here's our disclaimer. We're not business or financial advisors, and I may have to do this each time. I'll let you know. I don't know yet. And we are not claiming that this robot or any robot works now or in the future. You just have to judge for yourself as you see it trade in real time. But in no way does that mean that future results will be even close, good, bad, or ugly. There. All right, well, I hope that you get that, guys. So if you would, just hit pause and read over the disclaimer. Now let's get to the results so far, day 8. Okay, this is our third-party tracker right here. This is ShowMyTrades, and if you go to our school group, you'll have all of these links, and it's absolutely free, so you can track it on a daily basis if you choose to. Here we go. This is the PS Opkee $500 day trade test. Now, this is a real account. It's not a hypothetical account. So again, we're prepared to lose 100% of our money if need be. This is on Coinex, one of our brokers that we've used with the highest rating of so far so good. What that means in a broker's world, brokers that we use, that means that when we deposit money, they deposit it quickly, and when we withdraw money, we get that back quickly. They have not, and hopefully will not, run off with money. But then again, when we're dealing with overseas brokers, we never start an account with over $1,000. Anywhere from $100, remember, we're small account experts, $100 to $1,000 just to test it out. All right. So far, the growth is 12.4%. In no way does that mean it will continue at this particular pace. As you can see, last week through Monday, we had our biggest drawdown. That's what I mean by a drawdown. And it was only 6.9%. That's only 7% drawdown. That's so far so good. But the problem is, folks, when we're trading bots, we tend to get comfortable really quick, just like people did with crypto, right? They see these great returns, parabolic type of movements, and then they'll start dollar cost averaging or throwing more money into it, mortgaging their house, things of that nature. Now, I always get very suspect because I have seen these robots actually perform well for 2 or 3 years and then wipe out profits if people aren't doing proper money management and risk management. Now, what I mean by money management, in any normal circumstance, after this test, I typically Once it gets to a 20% profit, I usually take my profit out. I like to get my whole portfolio trading with house money. How do I do that? Taking profits, guys. If it's going to blow an account, I want that account to be on house money at all times. All right, so where are we? What else do we need to know? Oh, drawdown on the balance was only 2%. In other words, this was the balance right here, guys. So it never did close out trades, but if I did close the trade, it would have closed it this low. You know, almost back to zero. Back to zero profit, that is. Not zero as far as my account. And then it recovered pretty quickly, and boom, we're up 12% in less than 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks. You see the deposits there. Let's look at the daily returns. This is a day trader. Here we go. We saw all of last week. It went into Friday in a drawdown. This is only on balance because it typically shows the balance. And with week one, trading week one, this was week 2 of the month, but trading week one, up over 6%, 6.4%. Now check this one out. And this is the 13th that we're making this video. And the time, Central Time, is right at 11:30. So hell, the day's not complete, but we're up almost a point, almost a percentage. You see, Monday was really good. Monday really blew it out, 3.5% in that one day. Yesterday was 1.1%. Today's not over yet, but it's close to 1%. So far, these 3 days, we are up 5.64%. Guys, if you want these links, make sure that you join our school group, because our school group, number one, is free, and then we'll also have some bonuses in there and a free blueprint on exactly how do we find, test, research these particular Forex robots that work with small accounts. That's going to be key because not every robot works on small accounts. And then, of course, we can discuss some things in that school group as well. So go out there, guys, make some good choices, bring it home. See ya.